Stress in work, traffic, and daily problems and worries are just a few of the things that can make us tense and even hurt our shoulders and neck. Have you ever felt stiffness in your shoulders or neck? Many times, this pressure that we feel is not only a result from fatigue and mental or physical weariness, but also bad posture. According to traditional Chinese medicine, our tongues can offer information about the source, seriousness, and development of some diseases in our body. Thinking about it, in today's video, we will teach you how to fix your stiff neck and shoulders with the help of acupuncture using only a fork. Acupuncture alleviates spasmodic torticollis, pain in the neck and shoulders, cervical spondylosis, disc degeneration, and radiculopathy. The practice also improves the amplitude of movements. You can use a fork or even the tip of your fingers to stimulate the base of your tongue. Do it 10 to 30 times. In the beginning, you may feel a sharp pain, but as you keep doing it, this pain should subside, and with it, the tension in your neck and shoulders will also lessen drastically. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Lingual acupuncture offers satisfactory results for the treatment of shoulder and neck pain, bringing back the movements to the areas that were tense and painful. Besides this practice, you should also pay attention to some habits to avoid these pains in the future. Spending long hours in front of the computer or studying without moving your head and having bad posture are some of the things that can cause pain. When sitting, try to maintain your back straight, keeping the computer screen at eye level, and avoid lowering your head. Besides that, move your neck, doing some small stretches to relax the muscles. When carrying bags, backpacks, or anything else, evenly distribute the weight so that both sides of your body carry the same weight, avoiding the unevenness of your shoulders that causes muscle fatigue. Another thing that many people do is sleeping on their side. Sleeping in this position helps the spine to be aligned, keeping the discs hydrated. However, it is important to use the right pillow. Its height must be the same as the distance between your shoulder and neck. And lastly, drink plenty of water. Water is the biggest ally of our health because it keeps the whole body hydrated, preventing the development of many diseases. More than offering just a healthier life, water also helps prevent neck pain since the discs between the vertebra and spine require constant hydration to function. Following these simple tips, you can end the pain in your neck and shoulder and keep a healthier life. If the discomfort is too much, seek a health professional, such as an acupuncturist or osteopath, to receive adequate care. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.